Alright, so this is number 4 from the study guide. Looking at this, a lot of us have been struggling with how to these particular ones. My recommendation is for us to just keep it simple by following the steps that we've done by separating them to pairs. So this is pair 1, and then this is pair 2. In this particular one, I am deciding to eliminate the x's. So if I wanted to eliminate the x, in this case, I need to multiply the top one by -3. Alright, don't forget to distribute that -3 through all of them. So the new top equation is going to be -3x plus 3y plus 6z is equal to 18. So that's my new top equation. Then it'll be 3x plus 2y is equal to -25. Alright, so here we go. We're going to cancel out these. This plus this is 5y. This plus nothing is 6z. And this plus this gives you -7. Alright, next set. If I'm eliminating the x's, remember you got to eliminate the same variable from both of your pairs. I'm going to multiply this top by 4 and this bottom one by a 3. So once we do that, we end up with 12x plus 8y is equal to -100. Then the bottom one becomes -12x plus 3y minus 3z is equal to 36. Once you get that, you will add them together. This becomes 11y. 0 plus this will be -3z, and -100 plus 36 is going to be -64. So you may wonder why we did all of that. You did all that to make it a system of 2 equations. You want to simplify it to this so that you're able to do all of your steps necessary to get all 3 variables. So now I'm just going to write them together so that they look like we normally see them. Looking at this, it seemed like it would be easiest to eliminate the z, so I'm going to multiply the bottom by 2. So I'm just going to rewrite our top equation. And here's our bottom one. Alright, so now, all we do now is add the equations together. This plus this is 27. Y. Cancel those out. This plus this is -135. We get to divide now by 27. Y is equal to -5. Alright, now that you know what y is equal to, you can plug back into one of your 2 equations here and get z. So now we're going to do 11 times -5. I'm using this one, minus 3z is equal to -64. I have -55 minus 3z is equal to -64. Add 55 to both sides. -3z is equal to -9. I'm going to divide both sides by -3. So z is equal to a +3. Sorry. So now I know that y is -5 and z is +3. Now remember, once you're done, in order to get your last variable, you have to go back to one of those original ones. So I'm going to go back to the top one. Alright, if I go back to the top one, we don't know x yet. And we said that y was -5 and z is 3. So y minus -5 minus 2 times 3 is equal to -6. So now we have x plus 5 minus 6 is equal to negative 6. Now you have x. If you add these together, you get minus 1 is equal to negative 6. If you add 1 to both sides, x is equal to negative 5. So now that you know that x is equal to negative 5, you go ahead and write your final answer in coordinates. So x is negative 5, y was also negative 5, and z was 3. That's your final answer. Thank you.